We were driving 2000 kilometers from Helsinki, Finland to Ljubljana, Slovenia. This is day one. We woke up early because we had to be at the port of Helsinki by 6:30 a.m. A 2-hour ferry took us to Tallinn, and from there the real road trip began. The plan for day one was to drive to Kaunas, Lithuania, and spend the night there. Via Baltica is a beautiful road to drive, smooth, open and scenic. About 2 hours in, we took our first break at the gas station. My body felt stiff from the drive, so I did a bit of stretching. We got back on the road and continued toward Kaunas. Next stop, just outside of Riga, a lovely hotel and restaurant we have stayed at a few years ago. I remembered how cozy and peaceful it was. After lunch, we took our boy to a park to run around and enjoy the fresh air. Then it was back on the road for the final stretch of the day. 3.5 hours later, we arrived at our hotel in Kaunas. That was day one. Tomorrow, it's day two, from Kaunas, Lithuania to Brno, Czech Republic. See you then.